Every year, leading paint companies translate global design trends into the color of the year. In this video, we're gonna see the top 5 colors for 2022. I'll share with you some ideas on combining and using them in your interiors. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Saira Kuri, architect, interior and lighting designer. In today's list, we'll see a wide variety of options from colors inspired by nature that evokes relaxation and a healing effect to more vibrant hues that energize spaces. With nothing more to say, let's see what those colors are. The top color of 2022 is green. Yes, surely you have already noticed. Multiple leading paint companies have chosen it as their color of the year. Green represents life and renewal. It can refresh interiors and evoke tranquility and calm. Knowing this, we understand why it has been the top favorite for 2022. More than ever, we need cozy interiors that connect us with nature and meditation. Benjamin Moore has chosen the color October Mist. It's a versatile sage green that you can use in any area of your home, from kitchen cabinets, bathrooms, master bedrooms, or kids' rooms. The subtle influence of this color makes it easy to use in large quantity in our interiors. Thanks to its versatility, you can play with endless combinations. This tone is a good option for people who like gray but want to dare to use other options at home without a dramatic effect. To combine this color, you can opt for an analogous color scheme, combining it with other shades of green and blue for a fresh and relaxed look. You can combine it with other shades of green to achieve a monochrome, elegant, and timeless color palette. On the other hand, if you're daring when it comes to using colors, this tone can serve as a background to emphasize objects and details in complementary colors such as pink or lilac. A very fun, subtle, and fresh combination. Another green that I like is the Evergreen Fog by Sherwin-Williams. A very similar shade but a bit darker compared to the October Mist by Benjamin Moore. This color is spectacular to combine with white, taupe, light wood, tan leather, matte black or golden details. It's a good pick if we want relaxed spaces without compromising elegance. Also, it's a lovely shade to paint kitchen cabinets combined with gold or black hardware. The second color that I'll show you is also inspired by nature. The color of the year by Deluxe is the Bright Skies, a fresh and soft blue which allows versatile and pleasant combination. Deluxe describes this color as a light, airy and optimistic blue that's good for the soul, and it promises to open up and revitalize your home. It's not a secret that blue transmits peace and tranquility, which symbolizes the sky, the air, and fresh water. According to color psychology, blue is associated with renewal and purity, which makes it a favorite pick for bedrooms or other areas where we want to achieve a state of mind of tranquility. To combine their color of the year, Deluxe offered us very versatile and fun ideas that range from classic to colorful and daring combinations. Blue, like green, goes very well with warm colors such as earthy tones, browns, and natural textures such as wood, white with a warm undertone, grayish, beige, and matte black. The combination of these colors and textures results in modern and fresh spaces. You can create an analogous color scheme, pairing it with other blue or green shades. It could be an exciting alternative to achieve dynamic spaces without losing the concept of elegance. This light blue can also be the primary color in a more fun palette, such as kids' rooms, workspaces, or another particular space you want to play with colors. You can dare to go for a combination with high contrast and combine this light blue with orange or another similar pastel like lilac, pink, or yellow. By the way, if you have doubts about how to choose and combine colors, I leave you up here and in the description box below a free guide and 2 videos about it in case you want more information. The color proposal we'll see next is quite daring. It's the Very Peri lavender tone declared as Color of the Year by Pantone. Pantone describes it as a color that encourages personal inventiveness and creativity. Every year, Pantone studies society to choose its color. It should be noted that Pantone not only focuses on interior design, it also impacts fashion, graphic design, art, among other artistic disciplines. The meaning of this color is very broad. This color is the result of the mixture of red and blue, so it has the best of both sides. It transmits sensitivity, elegance, luxury, and spirituality. Although it seems a difficult color to be used in interior design, it's not impossible. It's a color that could be present in some design styles and trends, such as the retro decoration inspired by the 70s, where the use of vibrant colors is essential. To combine this color, we must be very careful. The easiest way to add this color to an interior is to use it as an accent, combining it with light neutrals like white. As it's an intense color, distribute different decorative elements in the space, such as cushions, vases, an accent chair, flowers, or a work of art. We are seeing proposals for decorative elements using different shades of this color in stores. If you like it, use it carefully and enjoy it. It should be noted that you can play with lighter shades of Very Peri within its color family to evoke sensations that lean towards relaxation and tranquility. If you are looking for an intense palette, you can dare to combine this tone with its complementary colors such as yellow and mustard. Let's move on to our color number 4. In interior design, neutral colors are consistently among the favorites. It's not a secret that these shades are a safe and timeless choice for any interior. Thanks to its versatility, we can change the room's general appearance without a significant investment. The neutral tones that we see among the favorites of leading paint companies are all warm neutrals. Sherwin-Williams picked accessible beige, natural linen, pink shadow, and shoyu white to be part of their master palette. Benjamin Moore opted for its natural linen, collector's items, and the Venetian portico. Deluxe offered artist brush and fossil hunting as their warm neutrals. These warm tones are suitable for combining with the main favorites like blue and green, or other neutrals to get a monochromatic and elegant color palette. Apart from the fact that warm neutral tones make spaces much more pleasant and welcoming, they are the most popular because they are used in contemporary styles like warm minimalism, Japandi, and Nordic. By the way, I have a video where I talk about warm minimalism, the most popular interior design style right now. If you want to learn more about this style, click up here or in the description box below to learn how to get the look. Another color that caught my attention within the color palette proposed by Benjamin Moore is the color Wildflower. This is an opposite and complementary tone to the color of the year. It's a color between coral, pink, and terracotta. So if you like vibrant and energetic colors, this one could be for you. To combine it, you can use neutral colors such as white to soften and balance the space, or you can pair it with warm neutrals for a monochromatic scheme. Being an intense and vibrant color, avoid using it in spaces you need to relax, such as bedrooms. Remember that these colors activate the mind. It could be a nice color to add life to social spaces such as the kitchen, living room, or outdoor areas such as patios or terraces. In these dynamic areas, you can combine this color with their complementaries such as green or teal. Guys, please let me know in a comment below which of these colors you will use in your interiors. This is all for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and please smash the like button, share and subscribe to my channel for more ideas in the future. Have a beautiful week. See you in the next one.